Welcome to Pythonic, and today I will show you how to remove background from the image. So I've got so lovely image of this mallard duck, and I need to remove background to make a clear image for something. So I will use library rembg and also CV2 libraries. They are not installed, so I will confirm to install them and wait what will happen. Unfortunately, CV2 is not installed by this way, so you need to install it manually. That's why in terminal you need to type pipe install opencv-python, and it will install CV2 library to work with images. That's it. When you install all the libraries, you can carry on. So let's define the image name. So input will be our name, which is duck.jpg, and output will be, okay, let's say no bg duck.jpg. Now, so let's load this image. So image, it will be cv, imread, and name of the image. And let's remove background straight away. So image out will be rembg dot remove. That's it. And give this image and then save it. cv2 imwrite and this file name, output, and the structure image, and that's it. Run it. It will take some time to run, and if you run it for the first time, it will load all the training library. And now let's see what happened. It looks absolutely fine, but unfortunately the background is black, and there is no way to say what background you would like to have. Because transparent background, we can introduce our own background if we need. So how to do it? So let's load library pil, and this library will work with images. So let's create out pil. So this will be our image which we create from this output image. So because it's array, so we need to do it from array. Second step, we need to create background. So background will be pil, and then image, and then new. So it will be RGB format. Then we will have out pil size, so we need to have the same size like this one. And then color 255, 255, 255. This is RGB number for white. And now we need to paste this image into background. So let's write bgr.paste, and then we will give the image which we need to paste coordinates 0.0 and the mask which we use for pasting, and the mask is equal to our image. That's it. And now let's save it. bgr.save, and then let's write new name, for example w underscore, and then output name. So now we will have another name. Let's see what's happened. And it's beautiful, but the colors are mixed. So it means that pil can mix RGB color into BGR format, and we need to swap the color scheme. So let's do it. So we've got RGB layers in our image, in our BGR image, and we will split BGR with command split, and then we will mix them back. So BGR equal pil.image.merge, and then we will say format will be RGB, and the order is BGR, and let's save it under the different name W1, and let's see what's happened. And that's it. The background is removed and the color are correct, so everything is fine. Now you can see how it's easy to remove background with Python script. So you can use this code as a web server or just for your images, and it works almost perfect for every single case. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and wait for new interesting video about Python, coding and math. Thank you, bye.